Hello, this is Tank. In order to solve the problems faced by printing and packaging enterprises, such as environmental protection and increased cost, our factory has developed the Ounuo series Rotogravure printing machine, suitable for water-based and alcohol-soluble ink based on 20 years of senior experience in printing and packaging machine, which can achieve high-fidelity printing, fully possessing the characteristics and advantages of environmental protection, energy conservation, intelligence, and humanization, truly realizing and creation of value for customers. Our world-class high-precision digital processing centers, providing sufficient guarantees for creating high-quality, high-precision, and high-efficient products. The key core components, such as wall panels, servo motor brackets, and guide rollers, has been fully processed by precision machining centers. Let's see the excellent performance of the Ounuo series Rotogravure printing machine running today.